Welcome back everyone to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send cryptocurrency to another wallet from your NC Wallet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the NC Wallet application on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into your wallet page. From here, if you wish to send crypto to any address, then just tap on the send button at the bottom right corner. Now you can choose the available coins that you have. And if you don't see it listed, you can also tap on Get Other Coins to get an exchange. After choosing the currency that you would like to send, you will now be asked to enter the wallet address. You can use the QR code scanner to scan the wallet, or you can enter the address within the given space. Then enter the amount of crypto that you would like to send. And depending upon the amount that you enter, you may also be able to enable no commission option. After entering the address, as well as the amount, you can click on the send button, and you will be asked to enter your transaction PIN or provide your biometrics. After you provide either one of this, your crypto will be sent to the wallet address that you have just entered. And by following this step, you can send any crypto within your account to any other user using their address. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to send cryptocurrency to other users from your NC Wallet account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.